Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to resolve if the Discord application is not working properly and perhaps the audio is not working properly through the microphone on your Windows computer. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys, and without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So we are going to start off by opening up the search menu, and you want to type in settings. Best result should come back with settings. Go ahead and open that up. On the left side, you want to select privacy and security. And then on the right side, you want to scroll down underneath app permissions and you want to select the microphone. On the right side, you want to make sure where it says microphone access, it's turned on in the top position here. And then if you scroll down the list, make sure Discord is turned on as well if you see it in the list. Also, make sure your speaker icon is turned on and your sound output, if there's any power issues to it, make sure it's turned on as well and turned up. And that's pretty much it. Besides, reinstalling Discord, you can also try that as well. So pretty straightforward process, guys. I do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.